We tried ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and all failed. This one didn't. This tool finally clones websites for free. And what is this tool is what we are going to be understanding in this particular video, because this is not a clickbait. And in this video, we are going to be understanding of this one tool which actually clones any website with exact same tonality, exact same copy, exact same features, exact same buttons, exact same CSS codes. I don't know how they are managing it, but it is doing for real. And let's understand how you can do it too. So the tool name is same.new, which basically you just provide a URL of the website you want to clone, and it is gonna go ahead and clone the website for you. I don't know how again they are doing it, but yes, they are doing it. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe this particular video, because it motivates me to bring more such valuable content only for you guys. Take a pause of the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe so that it brings more value to you guys. And let's dig in that how you can do it. So for now, I'm gonna be pasting Iman Ghazi's URL. Basically, those who don't know who Iman Ghazi is basically a business guru. You can just simply Google it and you can see what things he has been doing. So I'm pasting his website URL over here, and I'm just simply gonna clone, and that's it. I'm just gonna hit enter and just see it cloning the website exactly as it is. So this is the original website which I have provided a link to clone. This is how this website actually looks like, and there are multiple tabs as well. So you can see over here under the code section, you can actually see what is happening during the cloning. So it's actually going ahead and doing all the tasks on its own. So you can see over here, and it is using a React.js node, multiple things over here as well. And those who are sound enough with coding and everything, they get to know that what it is doing at the back end by you just typing that one word of clone, and it goes ahead and actually clones the website for you guys. So at times there are gonna be situations where it is not gonna be cloning some famous names. Like I tried to clone Neil Patel's website, it did not clone, it removed his image from the website. Same has been happened with Iman Ghazi as well. For some reason they don't allow you to clone the image of this particular famous person you're using, but it is gonna be cloning the whole website. So that's also fine, because obviously you're gonna be using your own image or your client's image, and that's how you can actually download it and use it in Elementor on WordPress, or you can also write code this for further whatever changes you want to do. And that is how simple it is. You just drop in the URL of the website and you type clone, and it's gonna go ahead and clone the whole website for you guys in just a matter of seconds. Talking about the pricing plans of this same.new tool, is the basic plan comes up with $10 a month, where you get 2 lakhs tokens per month, and as per the usage under a free plan also you get 50,000 tokens per month, and you're getting 2 lakhs tokens per month. I would say in one generation it actually consumes 20 to 30 tokens just like that. So based on that, you can take in consideration the plan which you want to purchase. In my opinion, whether it is worth it or not, if you are someone who is a developer, if you are someone who actually wants to clone any particular website, then this is a go-to tool, because I haven't came across any tool which can actually clone all the features, like literally all the features of the website as it is, just by dropping in the URLs. And if you want to go ahead with this particular tool, I will yes to this tool, because I haven't come across any such tool till date. So that's all from my end for this particular video. And before we wrap up this video, I want to give you a disclaimer that make sure you are cloning website with ethical purpose only. You're not cloning it with any unethical things only, okay? Because obviously AI is everywhere. Make sure you're using AI ethically, and that is very, very, very much important, because AI can be productive as well. If you use AI in a wrong terms, there are multiple news articles on online platform where you can find that if used in a wrong way can be harmful for human life existence as well. So make sure it is not just about cloning any web, but actually you cannot be cloning any random government website or any such website. You cannot be ethical. Make sure you are using this website for ethical things only. And that's all was my strong. You guys do go give it a try, make sure you use it, and I'll drop in the resources in the comment section as below. And make sure you drop in your valuable comments in the comment section again. And that's all from my end, and I'll see you in the next video soon.